Hi guys, my name is Janet. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video. First I just want to thank you guys who subscribed and who's been with us all throughout these years. Really appreciate your support and really hope to just get back into the swing of things, and wanted to start by posting just a short video. Basically the garden is pretty much in full effect. Let me switch the camera to show you. Pretty much got tomatoes, got all this. I thought it'd be cool to have a little challenge, so I want you guys to tell me what do you think this plant is. So what do you think we're growing here? So let me know in the comments what do you think we're growing, and yeah, I'll shout you out in the next video. So definitely excited for this year. Definitely plan to just bring you guys just better, just more, just helpful gardening content. And I really appreciate you guys' support and feedback. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoy the rest of the weekend, and I'll see you guys soon.